Let us start question number 3. If tan 2a equals to cot a minus 18 degree, where 2a is an acute angle, find the value of a. Again apply the complementary angles formula. Don't think about 2a, 3a, whatever given. Okay? For us it is only theta. Right? So see, tan theta called it. You can change tan theta, that is you can write cot 90 minus theta according to complementary angles rules. So I write like this, tan theta means cot 90 minus theta equal to also cot a minus 18. See, both are cot, means ratios are same, left side and right side. Remember not to cancel it. Don't think that cot are same so cot will be cancelled. No, this is ratio, right? So it is not cancelled, but both are same ratio, so you can compare the angles. Here cot something equal to cot something, so something are same. Is it right? So comparing angles, you must have to write this, remember, otherwise your sum will be wrong. Though your answer is right, but your mark will be 0. Remember, and please be alert here. 90 minus 2a equals to a minus 18. So 90 minus 18 move this side and minus 2a move this side. Plus 18 equal to a plus 2a. 108 equals to 3a. 3 is in multiplication, move down. 108 divided by 3 equals to a. So a equals to 36 3s up. A is what? 36. Now question number 4. If tan A equal to cot B, then prove that A plus B equal to 90. You have to prove that A plus B equal to 90. See, how to prove it? Simple. Just like the previous one, you can change any angle. Tan A, I can change tan A, tan theta, that is cot 90 minus theta. Here cot 90 minus A, that is equals to cot B. Both are cot, so comparing angles. Therefore, 90 minus A equal to B. Minus A move other side, it will be plus A. So A plus B equals to 90. Hence proved. 5 number, very simple and small sum. QT. Sec 4A, that is equals to cosec A minus 20 degree. Find the value of A again. So change any one. Sec theta means cosec 90 minus theta. Theta is 4A. That is equals to cosec A minus 20. Now both are cosec. So comparing angles. Therefore 90 minus 4A equals to A minus 20. Now take minus 4a this side and minus 20 this side. So it will be 90 plus 20, that is equals to a plus 4a. 110 equals to 5a. 5 moves down. So a equals to 110 divided by 5. So a equal to 22 degree. 6th number on page number 190. Most time B. If A, B, C are interior angles of triangle ABC, then show that A, B and C are interior angles of triangle ABC. Okay? It means what? You can write A plus B plus C equals to 180 degree. Angle sum property. Here I write only A plus B plus C. in your mind, maybe it blinks that angle A plus angle B plus angle C. Okay, you are right perfectly that angle some property is angle A plus angle B plus angle C equal to 180 degree. But I write only A because A, B and C are what? Angle here. And we use it in trigonometric ratio. So we write sine A. We don't write sine angle A. Right? So I write only A plus B plus C equal to 80. Now you have to show what? Sine B plus C upon 2 means I need B plus C. So I take plus A other side. So B plus C equals to what? 180 minus A. Take LHS. LHS is sine B plus C upon 2. Now place the value. Sine B plus C is what? 180 minus A upon 2. Call it result number 1. So you can write from 1. Now split this. Sine 180 divided by 2 minus A divided by 2. 180 divided by 2 is 90 minus A divided by 2. This is what? Sine 90 minus, call it theta. Sine 90 minus theta is cos theta and theta is A upon 2. This is your RHS. Okay, so in this way you can prove it. 7th number is Poplu. Will not ask in exam. Express sine 67 plus cos 75 in terms of trigonometric ratios of angles between 0 and 45. Means convert these angles into in between 0 and 45. You know only one method, that is of complementary angle. So sine theta, I can write cos 90 minus theta plus cos theta, I can write sine 90 minus theta. Okay, 90 minus 67 will be what? 90 minus 67 will be 23. So this is in between 0 and 45 plus 90 minus 75 is 15 degree. This is also in between 0 and 45. So in this way we can convert this term into this term which is in between 0 and 45 degree. Okay, this is your exercise 8.3. Afterward, the most important exercise will start, 8.4.